Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, full day what we have seen, it is in the red candle as you can see, but the previous week what we have seen, it was in the green candle. If you look at this particular chart, see there is a narrow pattern is forming. If you look at the bigger pattern, this is the smaller pattern. If you see, a narrow pattern is being formed, and chances are very high that if the price sustains above this particular level and goes above a level of $33.80, we can see there can be an upside towards an upside. But if it started falling below a level of $32.92, we can see a further fall towards this particular trend. Okay, this is in this particular range. But if you look at the longer view, we can see if the price started going below this particular level of around 3200, there is a probability of, but if started falling below a level of around 3200, there is a probability of going further fall, we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Look at this particular chart, that there is a higher chances that suppose if the price started going below this particular level, a further downfall we can see, and then a further downfall towards $3299. Okay, if you look at the dollar index, what we can see, if you look at the dollar index, there is a probability, see, opposite U pattern is forming at this level, and if the price moving on this level, probability of going above a level of 99.4, we can see this 99.4 is already being tested, so the price can move further high and it can touch a level of 99.6 to a level of $100.5. And if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards 100.8 to a level of $101 to a level of 102. And if that sustain, a further upside. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards 98.5 to a level of 98.3, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will fall further down, and yes, after that the price will move further low towards a level of around 96.5 to a level of around 95.5, and then further low. Okay, coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, as I already explained you, that when the dollar index started going upside, we see the price of gold comes down. When the dollar index started going down, we see the gold price goes up. Okay, and if you look at this trend, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see the next level, that is 33.38 we can see, and if the price moving up this level, we can see the price will go towards next level, that is 33.47. Suppose if the price moving over a level of 33.47, a probability of going further upside we can see towards 33.49, which is already being tested, so the price will move further high, and yes, after that there is a probability of touching 33.58 we can see. Okay, and if the price moving above a level of 38.58, we can see the price can touch a level of $33.66, and if the price going above that particular level, chance of touching 33.84 we can see, and this 33.84 is already being tested, so the price move above that particular level, and chance of touching 33.86 we can see, then to a level of 33.90, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see above a level of 34.05, and then further high. So best you can do, you can trail your SL by $15 or $10, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can suppose if it started falling below this level, we can see the price can move towards next level, that is coming at a level of around $33.03, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 32.92 we can see. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 32.84 we can see, and if it started falling below this level, chance of touching 32.59 will be there. Again I repeat, if the price started falling below this level, we can see the price can touch a level of around 32.110 after crossing this particular level of around 32.23, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of going towards next level, that is coming at a level of 3300, and from there a further downfall we can see towards 32.92, and then a further fall towards 32.84, and from there a level of 32.75, and if the price falling below this level, we can see a level of 32.71, and then a further downfall we can see towards 32.50, and then further low. So best you can do, you can trail again your SL by $10, so you can capture a big movement towards downside also. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or given the mail ID is also in the